Welcome to the Dementia Caregiver Talkshow, a podcast to help you navigate the senior care maze. Learn and laugh with us as we discuss creative solutions and ideas to common and uncommon dementia care challenges, and how to make sense of the senior care industry and options, even if you're not a professional. Hello and welcome to the Dementia Caregiver Talk Show. I'm here with Joanne Westbrook and a very special guest. And this special guest you might be hearing a little more of in the future because we have an announcement. Jen, you want to take it from here?
Yes. Hi, Valerie. Good to hear you again. We're very excited, and I think pretty much everyone who's ever worked with Teepa is looking forward to some new adventures, and we definitely are about to do that. We are moving from where we were at Pines of Sarasota, and all of our content is now going back to its home with Teepa Snow. And you will be able to continue to hear us on a regular basis, and all of the information that we have done in the past and everything we have coming up in the future is very exciting. And how do you feel about that, Valerie?
I am excited too, and I think on that note, we should bring in the special guest, which is, you probably guessed it at this point, Teepa Snow. Hey, Teepa.
Hey, folks. And it is great to be with you in a slightly different capacity. It's always been good to be your guest, and it's always been great to work with you two with Pines and to work with the folks at Pines. But, times change, things get different, and we didn't want to lose the magic. And the magic was really the connection that you developed with people who are trying to support people living with dementia all over the world. And because we didn't want to lose that and things were changing, it was time to do something different. And the something different was bring it home. And so we did. But that didn't really mean we were getting rid of anything. In fact, it means we're expanding a few things.
Nice. Very nice.
Exactly. And boy, how exciting can that be? Because the content with Teepa has always been amazing. So many of my friends and myself included are going through these journeys, and personally, not only professionally. So being able to have this kind of content and access is so exciting. And I know the audience is looking forward to some questions and some answers from our Teepa Snow.
Mm-hmm. And on that note, our Facebook group for all of our listeners of the Dementia Caregiver Talk Show, that's going to stay. And if we join us there and ask us questions, send in questions, and then in the future, we'll go ahead and address as many as we can.
Yeah. And not only that, Val, because you guys are part of our system now, part of our family, there are some other opportunities that we're going to be having in this upcoming year that some of the folks who brought themselves into your group and are active participants, they may want to look beyond that. Some of them are free and some of them cost a little bit, but they're available online, which is one of the things we know sometimes family caregivers for sure need, is a way to get to something when you can't get out to go get something. And so we have those opportunities. We have an Ask Teepa Anything, a free evening event once a month. And we also have the opportunity, if you're care partnering with somebody and you want to find out more about some specific topics, we've partnered with a nonprofit down in Naples, a caregiver network there, to offer on Monday evenings once a month, a care partner series. And we'll have some specific topics. And in our future little podcast, we'll tell you a little bit about what some of those topics are and when that's available and how to hook into that system also.
Very nice. Thank you, Teepa. I'm going to put links to those in the show notes as well, that you guys can click on it and read a little more, find out more. And I would, in general, invite you to browse Teepa's website at www.teepasnow.com and to learn more. There's a lot of really good content on there and a lot of different programs and things that can help. And so I will link that in the show notes as well.
Yeah. And what's really exciting for us is on that website now, and with the access to everything we have, eventually, it's going to take us a little bit, but all of the Pines content is going to be moving over there. And some of the YouTube clips will be repositioned possibly, so that we have not only the big content areas, but we also have helpful hints and ways of doing things. And that's what's cool about having these two come together is Joanne and Valerie have done an amazing job of creating a relationship of a community online and on the radio. And we don't want to lose any of that. As a matter of fact, we want to offer it to more and more people. So we'll be working on those things. We're getting there. We've got work to do, but hopefully you guys will stay with us and help us by giving us good questions, good thoughts, and helping us stay on track, because we really need you to help us do what's the right thing for people who are out there trying their best to do the right thing.
Beautifully said. Beautifully said. Thank you so much, Teepa. And I think this is it for this episode. We just wanted to give you a heads up on what's going on, and you will be hearing from us very soon.
And you are right now.
That's right.
Look forward to hearing from you.
All right, everybody. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.
You too.
Bye.